Hello, and today we're gonna do a slime on my slimes. So first I have my favorite slime in the world. Really good. Comment down below what they made from slime, and guess what color I use for to make this the right color. The right. Very nice.
Slime.
Yep.
Are
Yeah.
you ready to go to Nancy's house tomorrow?
I'm not gonna go to Nancy's house. I'm going to Hawaii.
Oh.
Go check out the video.
You going to where?
Going to Hawaii
Where?
tomorrow. Yeah. Very
Why
nice.
are you going to Hawaii?
Cause I do. Ooh, bubble. 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and 5 and the 6 and 7 and the 8 and the 9 and the 10 and the 11 and the 12. Now let's just ruin it all. Yes.
Wow, you bought all that and no garlic? No garlic bread at all. Wow.
I would attack.
Bella,
What?
tell your friends you're not going, okay?
But I am.
Let them know.
But so that I am.
Huh?
I am. I got the homework packet ready.
You have a what?
I got the homework packet. I got everything.
For what?
So yeah.
You have the, Mommy, she said she has the homework packet ready. What is that? I don't even
And
know.
let's do is.
Homework pocket. Oh.
How about you, Mommy? You ready? You have your homework
What
packet?
is this? Still the same one.
Mommy, you have your homework packet? You better have your homework packet, Mommy.
This is my favorite and pumpkin. What color did I mix into this, and what's the name of this slime? Because I didn't know. Because I only knew what's down to it. Ooh.